Hey guys, I'm so excited to finally share with you something I've been working on for a long time. And this is my media outreach list template, right? This is the master list or CRM, if you will, of all of the journalists, bloggers, podcasters, you name it, who are the eyes and ears of your industry, who are in the position to be able to spread your story to millions. Now, without this tool, you cannot get organized. You cannot know who's covering what, how you can follow up, and what actions to take. So this is literally step one of any successful PR effort, and I have distilled it down for you in this way. So this is a screen to sign up. You put in your name, you put in your email, and boom, it sends you the template. And this is what you're going to get in your inbox. It's on Excel, super customizable. I've organized it by different sections. The first section is the media contact info, first and last name of the journalist, their email, and don't forget that Twitter and LinkedIn, which I've built in here, they're the top two most popular and widely used platforms for journalists. So in addition to email pitching, you need to be able to connect with them on the platform that they use. I also organize their professional profiles, so you can go in and figure out if you want just local coverage or if you maybe want to follow up with a finance or lifestyle editor. This way you can easily search and find who is covering what and organize it by that as well. Now, this is a part that's really, really important for you. It basically organizes the way for you can take the next step to do that outreach. So what do I mean by that? Here I organize it by latest article published, right? And so when you are able to follow up with the journalist and say, in response to your article written yesterday on this and that, it shows that you have actually done the research and you're not just some random person mass emailing hundreds of journalists. So this is a part where you actually get to show that you're intentional about your pitch. It has the activity about what you've done, because after a while with pitching, you kind of forget who you've pitched to and what you're doing. It's way better than just going through your emails. Trust me. This is where I've color coded your, the response from the journalist, right? So you can drop down the menu and you can figure out if the journalist has either not responded or that they've responded, or maybe you're waiting a response, or your most favorite response would be the ideal one, which is that you have an interview confirmed with them, right? So you can drop down and pick which one applies to you. This is where I've highlighted in red. This is your next step. So this is a next step on your PR journey. Maybe it's that you are awaiting a phone call that you have already planned with this journalist because you've successfully pitched them. Maybe it's that you want to follow up with them on Twitter because they are more active on Twitter. Maybe it's that they've asked you for a certain set of information that you've promised in your pitch, and now it's time for you to follow up. So this is literally your PR roadmap. This is step one to any pitch. This is the best and most streamlined CRM that I've come across because I've built it with the things that I need, and I'm so happy and excited to share it with you. The link to this video, is in the video. You can also find it on my website. Don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. And this is free, and it is my offering to you so that you can implement your PR roadmap today. Thank you very much.